Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before and you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Now, today I'm going to be doing a purse haul. That will include the purses that I received also for my birthday and ones that I bought myself. So as you can see, we have this lovely Kate Spade bag here, and I got it on the Kate Spade outlet store, and it sold out real quick. And I got the one of the. It was only two left, and I got one of the last ones. So I can't share a link with you because it's just not there, and I've been trolling their website for a while now, trying to see what's new and up and coming. And this has not came back except for one when somebody returned it, and as soon as it was hit on there, it sold out real quick. So it's not there to be found. So I can't link it. But as you see, this bad boy is from Kate Spade, New York. And as you can see, I have not carried it. Let's see about opening this. I fell in love with this bag when I saw it. And I didn't have my credit cards ready because I didn't want to spend anything. So I had to wait and wait and wait. And at one point, it had sold out. Then they brought it back and they had two of them, and so I got one of the two that was left, and then the other one sold shortly after I got this one. Then, like I said, somebody returned one, and then that one sold as soon as it hit the floor. Well, hit the website also. So this is what it looks like. Isn't it so pretty? So as you see, I haven't carried it. Let's see. Yeah. You see the inside of it? Isn't that just so gorgeous? Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. Alright. So while I was also on Kate Spade site, I decided to pick this one up. I love pink. Ain't no ifs and but about it. The only pink that I don't like is the Pepto-Bismol type pink. What is that pale icky type pink? I can't cotton to it, but I love pink any other way. Except for that way. As you can see, it says Kate Spade. As you can see, I have yet to carry it. Alright, and this is how it looks on the inside. There's a strap here. So, look forward to carrying that one. Now, this one you've seen from my birthday haul. This was the one that my mom and dad got me. As you can see here. Alright. This one also was in the birthday haul. And this was the one I think that my son bought for me. For my birthday. So isn't it just cute? Alright. And this was the one that I bought myself for my birthday. I said you guys have already seen these two. Alright. And this is one that I bought for myself. Not for a birthday gift, just to have. You see I have not carried it. That pocket's there. Shoulder straps. Let's see if I can get in the inside with one hand. Okay, let's look here. A lot of paper. A lot of paper. They overstuffed this one. And a lot more paper. Yeah, it's just too much. There's more and more. Alright, so that was my purse haul. Wow, there's a lot of Coach for one person at one time. But thank you for watching this. Depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye! Forgot to share these as well in my first haul. I knew I was missing something, but I just couldn't make up my mind what it was until after I shot it and turned around, because I have so many loads of stuff that I need to get up on YouTube that I forgot about these here. I couldn't locate them, basically, until I finished filming. So this is another Coach handbag that I had picked up. And this is the inside of it. Dark, dark, dark. Let's see if we can turn some light on here. Right. Going for light. This is what it looks like in the inside. That's what it looks like. Alright. So my next thing was this here Kate Spade. I went kind of crazy with Kate Spade. Let's see. Does it lock it? I don't lock it. Alright. It's a twister lock. Okay, it doesn't want to cooperate with me. As you can see, it still got the dust bag and I have yet to carry it. I wanted to get it up for filming before I started carrying it. And this one I got from Aldo. So let's open her up. Oh, I also got this from Aldo. Let me see if I can lay this out right. Okay. Yeah, it's a necklace. And it's got my fingernails caught in it. It's a necklace though. As you can see. Alright, so let's finish looking in the Aldo. And that's how it looks on the inside. So that's all. I'm not missing any more.